Welcome to the exciting phase of the process. What happens once we've received offers on your home? This is where the real action begins. While it can be nerve-wracking if the offers aren't what you hope for, fear not. This is precisely why you've engaged a skilled negotiator like myself and my team at Vikings Homes. I'm Julie Sabby with eXp Realty, and I also hold a designation of a certified negotiation expert. Surprisingly, only 1% of agents nationwide hold this credential. It's a fact that underscores the importance of adept negotiation skills, crucial for securing not just the highest price for your home, but also the best possible terms. Once offers start rolling in, certain crucial steps unfold before we even sit down with you to discuss the details. We initiate by vetting the buyers meticulously. This involves reaching out to their agent and lender to ensure the buyer's true qualification. We dig into vital questions, gauging their motivation and passion for your property. Simultaneously, we evaluate the experience and approach of the buyer's agent and lender, as their competency plays a pivotal role in the deal's success. After this preliminary screening, we then meet with you to delve into the offers and review the terms. While we offer our advice and insights on the pros and cons for each offer, the ultimate decision rests with you. You decide which offer to accept or counter. If we're dealing with multiple offers, our process takes an interesting turn. We set an offer deadline requesting the highest and best before we present the details to you. This meticulous approach ensures we're choosing from the finest selection available, aiming for the most advantageous terms for you. Once terms are agreed upon, we officially enter escrow. The typical time frame for closing on a home is approximately 30 days, give or take. If you're dealing with a cash buyer, closing could occur in as little as 3 days, though 7 days is more of a reasonable expectation. Throughout this entire process, we stand by your side, offering our guidance and insights while giving you the autonomy to make the decisions that resonate with you. Our goal is to make this journey as seamless and rewarding as possible, ensuring you secure the best outcome for your home sale.